Hey, Jeff from Estuary here. Thanks for checking out our article on moving data from Mongo over to Snowflake. As a real-time ETL platform, there's two big benefits of doing this through Estuary as compared to some of the other options that you're going to read about. Of course, what path you choose will really depend on your budget and latency requirements and a host of other factors. But if you do it through Estuary, and I'm logged into the Estuary platform here, you can make a free account on our website. The primary benefits are that A, it's going to be real-time change data capture. So we're going to pull from Mongo, and then within 100 milliseconds, we'll be able to pull from that source and then relay it over into Snowflake or many other destinations. And then secondly, in addition to it being low latency and incrementally pulling from Mongo, we're going to automatically unpack all of those nested documents. And so I just did this setting up a dummy Mongo Atlas database and used their Rotten Tomatoes-esque movie data with some of the tables here. And so these themselves are nested a few layers down, and typically I would have to go ahead and unpack that data at the destination and write some custom codes and flatten queries within Snowflake. What's nice about Estuary, it's going to automatically flatten all of that data, which will save a ton of time, especially with an evolving schema source like Mongo. In order to go ahead and get started, you would just create a free account, sign up for Mongo. Select Mongo, enter in your capture details. I already saved some of that, and to just move quickly through the video, the details I'll need here are the address, the user, and password, and then just the appropriate permissions. A lot of people get stuck here, so make sure that Estuary is given read access to that local database, and then the op log, and then you enable the Estuary IP. I provided admin access, so I added this onto the end. But once I enter in those creds, I'll be able to test connection to the my Mongo source here, and it will, the Estuary platform will automatically introspect, find all of the tables and the nested documents, and prepare to flatten them. The data, now I can save and publish this pipeline, and the data will then begin backfilling here into what's called an Estuary collection, which is the data being replicated as a real-time data lake of JSON files within your cloud storage. So what's really nice about that is that instead of having to create this pipeline again and again, as is the case with point-to-point ETL tools, this data is now live within Estuary. I can easily send that over to Snowflake. I can send it over to Redshift. I can send it over to Pinecone, wherever you want to push it. You don't have to egress the data once again, which helps you both financially and just being more efficient to be able to backfill or time travel that data. So this data is now backfilling from that database, which will take a couple of minutes to load. But from there, once it's live, I could go ahead, set up a new materialization, choose Snowflake, and with Snowflake, we'll have that data live within 10 seconds by the time that we're pulling it from Mongo. So end to end, you're looking at 10 seconds. And yeah, feel free to join our Slack channel if you have any questions about how to get this going. Thanks and have a good day.